To another episode on the channel. Today we just got back from the Long Island TCG show. So our haul today is a Surging Sparks ETB and Booster Bundle 2-pack. And from the personal collection I bought 2 Evolution SIRs. So,
yeah, buddy.
Gonna jump right into it. Cut this bad boy open. Literally. Alright, we'll do the ETB first.
Oh, ETB.
We'll do the big boy. So all ETBs come with the book.
Show the chase. Show them what you want.
The final page? Chase.
Yeah,
Not the executor. Where is it? This little Pikachu right here. This is the goal. Or the Latias. I would take the Latias too.
We want the Beho Pikachu.
I'm leaving that part in. PG-13 by ass. Alright.
ETB is different. Fine.
So, it comes with 9 packs. Some bulk. Penny sleeves. And this is the promo card. A sick looking Magneton. And some dice.
Die.
Actually, this we'll put the bulk after. And coins on it. Alright. So, that being said, let's open some packs. What we're all here for.
Yeah. This is the black second.
Code card for you guys.
Okay.
Fire energy for a fire pack. Fluttermane. Strudel. Dialga. Off to a fantastic start. I say that ironically. Or sarcastically. Never good English.
It was
Code card for you guys. Flamingo, Rangaroo, Skeldridge, and Flamingo EX. Our first hit, quote unquote.
first of many.
Code card for you guys. Ace spec, technical, and Togekiss.
Togekiss is so cute.
Put the Ace spec in a penny sleeve.
Ludon. I will get you a butthole, don't you worry.
Right, fine.
No, it's mine. Get your own.
By the poultry season.
Card card. It's close to a butthole, Pikachu.
It's electric.
Listen, it's closer than you got. At least
I mean, I got an EX at least.
I pulled electric. Okay. Lightning bolt.
Lightning bolt. Like a fire. Code card. Alrighty. Dark. Swap blue. Rotom. Teeny. That's cool, Teeny. Alright. Stunfisk. Tauros. And
Chimpow.
This ETB is not cooking. This ETB is really not cooking. How many packs do we have left? 4 more packs to go. We're halfway there.
Whoa, halfway there.
I love Surging Sparks, but Surging Sparks does not love me. Code card for you guys.
Oh, you showed off more cards than you.
Ooh,
Oh, nice.
okay. That's a sick Vibrava. Bring it a little closer to you guys.
Pretty quick. First time sleeve.
First time sleeve. Alrighty. On to the next one. Thought I headbutted this for a second. These packs open terribly.
I'm gonna get this back. Code card. That's it, code card. Oh, wait.
Snorlax.
My
You want
guy.
it?
Yes. Rar.
Gregory. Togekiss. Frasna. Dialga again.
No, he's not.
You wanna do another one?
Yes. Going back to my building.
You have to ask him.
It's a building. It's the honorary building.
Yes.
All building packs.
I'm out here just trying to build.
Try it. It's pretty good.
Good card. Hold on. Gotta sacrifice one to the gods.
What's the pack, Arceus?
No one's gonna be fighting anymore. I don't like the building packs.
Neither do why.
They're not very nice to us. Last pack magic?
I mean, technically, it's not last pack magic. We still got the booster bundle.
Yeah, that's the last pack out of the ETB.
That's true. I'm gonna look at it that way.
Good card.
Electric.
Lightning bolt!
Pinch. Lure. Celio. Magneton.
Oh,
Deluge. It's an EX, just not a full RDX.
But wait, there's more.
There is more. We are not done here. Do not leave the episode yet.
Don't leave me.
Unless it's to go subscribe to our Instagram and TikTok and Twitter, then by all means.
It's fair. All linked below.
Alrighty. Okey-doke. How do we open this? There we go.
Remember my first time?
I never actually opened up a Surging Sparks booster bundle. Completely different from the others. I like the prismatic here from the background. It's a lot simpler. Alright. Let's go, booster bundle. Be kinder than the ETB, please. Code card.
Good card.
Oh. Oh.
It's in a
Ooh!
Appleton?
Appleton.
Nice.
I love him.
He's such a boy.
He is. He's so hungry.
Clean, too.
Oh, Executor's going. He's taking a dive. Say, let me out.
Alrighty. Go card.
Nice. I see a building.
That's you're next. Snorlax.
Snorlax.
Primate. Rufflet. Rangaroo. Shroodle. Chinpow. Chinpow's gonna haunt my dreams tonight.
Not the ready guys.
Not the Reggie guys.
Building. Building. Oh. Oh, it's fighting me. It's still fighting me. Good card. Dirge. Oh! That is a gorgeous Milotic. Jesus. I knew the building would have let me down. What about buildings around here?
I think that's one of the chase cards too.
It looks like it, to be honest.
Go card.
Okay.
Psychic Energy. Total. Sheen. Skeldridge. Great.
RIP in pieces, Skeletorge. You're such a strong boy.
That's bulk, right?
Yes.
Good card.
Okay.
Fire Energy for a fire pack, please. Alright, Stunfisk. Sizzle. And Unreal. Unreal. Not having a good time. Minus that Milotic.
My Milotic.
And the Appleton. Can't forget about the Appleton. Go card.
Good turn. Oh, I see a border. I saw a border.
There's a peek, and I'm trying not to do it. All
See
right.
what it is? Oh, oh, oh,
Tauros.
oh.
Unreal. Just a regular old EX. Alright, guys.
Here, make up.
Could have been better, could have been worse. Oh, you know what? We'll do one more from
Make up for it.
Make Up For It.
This one's gotta be El Fuego.
The bonus pack from our booster box. Alright.
Come on. Go card.
Go card. And just move these out the way.
Dark.
Toddle,
Cute.
my lip, Kaplooey. Even the bonus one.
That is painful.
Yep. But alright guys, thank you for watching another episode. Hopefully the next episode we get a chase card from whatever set it's going to be, which I believe will be Mega Evolutions. Till then, check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and at MyLodic. Alright, see y'all on the next one.